Welcome to our new facility. We celebrate 45 years of operation in Australia. We're really excited to show you what we've created. The building was a 27-year-old building in need of a makeover. We've refitted the whole inside. We've got meeting rooms, we've got boardroom, we've got a multifunctional room which we can conduct training and have town hall meetings. We've got a training academy out the back, closed spray booth, open spray booth. We've even got a blasting room. Fantastic facility to engage not only our people, but the community at large.